Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share what I made for Gail Banks Creates 500 subscriber giveaway. And so this is how it's going to come packaged. I'm not for sure if I'm going to put more on the packages because I just really don't do very well with the packages. But that's how it's going to come packaged, and I'll be right back and show you what I've created. Okay, so I'm back. I'm going to show you everything that I used to create the projects, and she wanted you to create 2 ATCs as well as 2 postcards. Now, for me, I struggle. Outside of an A2 size card, I struggle. And I know it's just the size, the sizes that had me going, and the name ATC and postcard. I struggled with these. But anyways, let me show you what I use. I am using some of these Paper Roses shaker mix. These dimensional gem stickers, I've had these for a long time. Look, Hobby Lobby clearance. And then I'm using these gems, and these are from Paper Studio. And I'm using this here. This came from CC Designs. Yes. This one here, I want to say this is from In Love Arts when I was designing for them. My Creative Time bows, I'm using this and the larger one here instead of that one. Then I got these from Gail Banks, and I am using these rub-on transfers. When I say Dollar Tree has something going on with these. These are like the best rub-on transfers that I've ever used. Now, I used to use them back in my scrapbooking days, and they kind of got on my nerves, but these things, I went back out looking for these, and this one. So these two I'm using, and then I'm also using this paper here, which is from Hobby Lobby. I bought it last year, as well as this one here from Hobby Lobby. And let me say, the paper is doing the talking on the postcards. All right, so let me show you what I've created. Oh, I'm also using the diamond stickles, as well as 5007 from the Diamond Dots. And as you can see, that's has a little yellow or like cream tinge to it, and it sparkles. All right, so now let's jump into what I have created. And here we go. This is the first one. I'm using this fall ATC. I did add the stickles on top of that, on the fall as well as on the pumpkins. And this is where those little Paper Roses gems went. And then I have not sealed out the back on anything yet. Okay, and I know ATC cards usually go vertical, but this one is going to go horizontal. And then those are some more stickers that I used. There goes the diamond dots there. And then this image is from that pack there. And then I did use some distress ink going around here, and it's not filled out on the back yet. Okay, now these postcards, postcards definitely go horizontal, but these are going to go vertical, and I love how they turned out. Oh my gosh. Oh, I absolutely love it. I let the paper do the talking. I did add on the stickles on the paper, added thankful, and I forgot to get that out. That came from, I was going to reach it for you. Oops, I think it's right here. That came from the Momenta die set from Hobby Lobby. I got that a while ago. And so, but yes, I absolutely love that. I did add some inking around with tea dye, distress ink, and also walnut oxide ink. going around. There goes the My Creative Time bow and that little gem. And like I said, I have not filled out the back. I don't even have a stamp. I do have something that I can print out and put it on the back side for the postcard, but I have not done that yet. So hopefully I can get to that. I got to rush to get these sent out today. And then here goes the other one. Oh my gosh. I don't know which one I like better. This one I use the, what is it called? The black soot ink to go around the outside. There goes that My Creative Time bow, that little gem. And I did add the stickles around that as well. I did not have to add a sentiment because it was on the paper. But absolutely love these. And like I said, I have to do something with the backside there, but love it. Okay, so that is all I have. Make sure you head over to Gail's channel. I'll have the link down below. I think the cutoff date is now October 8th, and then she's drawing or something like that on the 15th. So you might be able to get something in. I'm going to try and get mine at the post office today. So yes, so anyways, head over to Gail's channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button and try and maybe join in on the challenge as well. But that's all I have for you, everyone. Thanks so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.